Kittens Go Fishing.
Wow, brother! Look, there's a lot of fish here. Let's have a fishing contest.
Good idea. Whoever catches 5 fish first wins.
Fine, no problem. I'm sure I will win. Hey!
Hey!
Why are none of the fish going for the bait?
Shh, keep your voice down. Don't scare the fish away.
This is so boring.
Ice cream!
What?
Ice cream for sale!
Ice cream! I want some ice cream.
Hello, would you like an ice cream?
Wow, so many flavors. Chocolate and fruit. I want both of them. I will buy one with both flavors. Hello, I want apple flavored ice cream.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you. This ice cream is so delicious. Oh, did my brother catch any fish?
A big fish has taken the bait.
My fish! Did my fish take the bait? Hey, no fish at all.
Where did you go? Mia, you need to concentrate on fishing.
Brother, you've caught 2 fish already.
Yeah, you need to try your best now.
If I hadn't gone for the ice cream, I could have caught a fish. This butterfly is so beautiful. The fish won't take the bait so soon anyway. I can catch a butterfly quickly and come back. Butterfly, please don't go away.
What? Why did you fly away again?
Butterfly, don't go. Please play with me. I'm taking too long and still haven't got it. Maybe I should return to fishing. Brother, you've got 2 more fish.
Yes, I have caught 4 fish already.
I'm done playing. I will concentrate on catching fish. Oh, a little fish took the bait. Hey! I didn't catch it. Hey! It just ran away again.
You are too excited. Be patient.
I understand. Mia, Bobby, let's go to the amusement park over there. I'm in a fishing contest with my brother. I'm not going. Let's go, Mia. I want to ride the seesaw. You know, I can't ride it alone. Please go with me. Fine. I can play for a while and come back to fish.
Mia, we are having a contest. Come back. Hey!
So much fun. This is so interesting. It would be better if Bobby was playing with us. Oops, we're having a contest. I need to go back now, Vivian. It's over. I am sure I have lost to my brother.
Yay! The 5th one! I am the winner!
Why can't I catch any fish?
You need to focus on fishing and nothing else. While I was fishing, you went to buy ice cream. chased the butterfly, and rode the seesaw. How could you catch any fish?
Oh, I was playing too much.
Focus, and you certainly will catch fish.
Well, I will try again. Huh? I've got one.
Don't worry, take it easy.
I've caught a fish. I've caught a fish. Brother, let's try again. I will not be distracted anymore. I'm sure I can beat you this time.
Good idea.
The game starts now. Fish, fish, please come to me.